In-class examination turns deadly serious for a student at Touro University.
An ultrasound catching a potentially life-changing problem. News 3's Denise Rush has more.
26-year-old Erica Stiles is well on her way to a career in the medical field, on track to graduate as a physician's assistant next year. But first, a very frightening detour as the patient, something caught in class at Touro.
Would you like me to move your pillow?
Yeah, move that pillow out of the way. Thank you.
Erica Stiles was born to help others. The daughter of an optometrist, she always knew the medical field was for her.
I saw his love and passion for learning medicine and learning these new things. He was always watching these new videos of techniques.
So when her class here at Touro University began practicing ultrasounds, Erica volunteered to have her thyroid examined, the professor immediately noticing a problem.
I kind of thought he was joking, and I didn't really think he was serious. And he was like, no, you do have a thyroid nodule, but 95% are benign, so it's most likely nothing. But he encouraged me to go get it checked out just to make sure.
Turns out Erica had cancer, large nodules on both sides of her thyroid, and this seemingly healthy 26-year-old was anything but.
I had no symptoms that I was aware of. Since I've had surgery, now I feel like I can notice more. I've realized that it probably wasn't normal that I like to take 2-hour naps every single day.
That was in October. By spring break, Erica underwent surgery. Fortunately, no chemotherapy or radiation needed. 1 week later, back on campus with a fresh scar and a new perspective on life.
That's something I think about all the time. If I wasn't a student at Touro at this particular time, I don't know what would have happened. If I had gotten into PA school, if I'd started PA school 2 years ago, maybe it wouldn't have been big enough, nobody would have noticed.
Or if she hadn't raised her hand to volunteer, the future healer with firsthand knowledge about the quality of health care in Southern Nevada.
There's great health care here. All of the providers that I've had have been great. They were able to diagnose me and give me the information that I needed in order to make the best decision for my health care.
And Erica thinks this whole experience will help her become a better provider, helping patients overcome difficult situations. And as a graduate of Foothill High School, strong ties to the community, she plans to stay right here and practice. Denise Rush, News 3.